Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Science. If you are in your science folder right now, you'll notice that it is Wednesday, the 15th of April. Today we are going to continue activity 3. We are going to be continuing to find out a little bit about what effect force has on the motion of an object. What I would like you to do is log into Discovery Education. Once you log into Discovery Ed, you are going to be able to click on the assignment titled About Force. Then you'll scroll down to the Pulling Your Weight lab. And this is where we were at on Friday. So you will, once you log in and you click on your assignment, you'll come up with the What is Force section that we read, a video that we watched last week. And then last week we went and stopped right here on the Pulling Your Weight. And this is the activity that we did with the strongman and how much force it takes for different types of flooring and different size stones. So this was something that we did last week that we are going to be having a discussion about today, and what we found and just what we learned about the type of flooring that did it change the force, or did it not change the amount of work that needed to be put in. Today, though, what we are going to do is, and this is also listed back in Schoology, right here at the bottom, 5, and it says 6, but we're not going to, or it says 7. I'll make sure and change that. So what you are going to do today is you are going to read what effect does a force have on the motion of an object. That's this section right here. And as you are doing that, we're going to add to our Cornell notes. Now, obviously, we have some new words in here that we can add to our notes on force and motion. And then you'll watch this video for that next piece, just talking about changes in motion and how things change the direction that they are moving. There is, at the bottom of the page, once you continue on down, I'm going to go back to that. After you've done your reading and watched your 59-second video, you can keep going down. You're going to skip this. Okay, and there at the bottom, there's a photo. Okay, forces at work. So what you are going to do is you're going to begin answering these questions about force and what is happening on this kayak. What forces are acting on it or against it, or even there might be forces that the man is causing to happen. So you will list one force that's acting on the kayak. Is the force pushing or pulling? And then one more if it's pushing or pulling. And then at the bottom, you'll answer this question about the kayak as well. Make sure and click on Save or Submit so that I get that answer. You'll read this next section and continue on down to the bottom. Once you finish this reading and you have added any notes to your science notebook, you'll be done for the day. This is something that we will be talking about, I believe, tomorrow in our homeroom course. So I look forward to talking about force and motion. Have a good day. Let me know if you need anything.